Hello, good morning everyone. Today we're on a bit of a different job. Not your standard driveway. This is on a sort of caravan park, privately owned though. So yeah, you can see the lichen marks absolutely everywhere. Concrete slabs, concrete path, bit of brick weaving in between them. So yeah, you got have a look over it. So you got black spot absolutely everywhere, and then you got white lichen marks over it. But I'll take a picture of this. But yeah, it's not your standard job. But we'll treat it like it is. Same process. Clean, chemically treat and resand what needs to be resanded. So yeah, let's crack on with that. Okay guys, we're currently having trouble in Paradise. My high pressure hose seems to be coming out of water. I've took this off from that. I'm gonna try to take this off from that. I'm gonna wrap PTFE tape around this. Try to take this off, wrap new PTFE tape. If I can't take that off, I'm gonna try run it again, see if it bursts or comes out of water. And yeah, so job's not even started yet. I've got that much done until I saw it. So yeah, let's crack on so we can actually get started. Okay, so we got this off. I'm unsure what caused the problem because it was tight. The PTFE tape was still, somewhat there. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it back on. I do have a spare one, but I don't think anything's wrong with it per se, so I don't see the point in replacing it. Sorry, I'm not even showing you it. But yeah, you can't see inside. There's little. It just looks like watermarks. So yeah, I'm just gonna replace it actually with a different one. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna see if this works. It should work once I put new PTFE tape around it. But yeah, it's. I don't even know what the time is. So okay, so both sides have been PTFE taped, tightened as hard as I could. Now let's find out if it runs. Look at this for the change of weather. They ain't gonna stop us. Yeah guys, we're pretty much done now with the cleaning. Obviously with weather like this, where it's constantly raining, it's hard to apply the chemicals, but you get moments like this where it stopped raining for 10-15 minutes, and if I was ready to apply chemicals then I would right now, but I'm not. But what I'm going to do now is get my yellow hose and my gun, go around and clean all the walls, all the statues, all the pots, everything like that. Just get everything tidy, so if it just continues and continues to rain and I can't apply my chemicals, then at least I know if I leave the job it's tidy, and then I'll have to return and apply the chemicals. So that's the plan. So from the last clip I went over these with the flat surface cleaner, the block paving, but it ain't done a good enough job. I ain't got the right things. I haven't got 15 degrees, and it's not set up to clean block paving essentially. So I knew it was. So I just went over it with a turbo, as you saw in the last clip. And now, yeah, now all I'm doing is just gonna rinse down the property, make it, you know, things like the bin and the caravan and all sorts like that. Just give them the rinse, and then when it if it stops, I'll have a look at the weather. If it's not meant to rain, you know, for another half hour or so, or if it's stopped for the day, which I doubt it, but then we'll apply the chemicals. I am soaked through, you know, miserable, but we get it done. But yeah, let's do